Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to talk about completed actions. To talk about completed actions, you should use simple past tense. The simple past tense is an important English lesson for English learners. If you learn the simple past tense, you will be able to talk about the past events, that is, the completed events. Look at the picture. This is a timeline to represent simple past tense. You are standing here. This represents present tense. All the things that happened before present is called past tense. See, yesterday, last week, last month, last year. These are all the past times. What are the things happened in this period? You can use simple past tense to express those events. Here are some simple verbs with its past tense. This column is present tense verb and this is past tense. See, jump. Jump is in present tense. The past tense for jump is jumped. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Change, changed. Kick, kicked. These are all the regular verbs. You just need to add an ed with the present form of the verb. See, jump is in present form. If you add an ed, it will become jumped. Walk, add ed, it will become walked. Cook, add ed, it will become cooked. Change, add d, it will become changed. Kick, add ed, and it will become kicked. These are all the regular past form verbs. Look at this slide. Simple past tense verbs. These are all called irregular verbs. See, present form is go and the past tense for go is went. Write, wrote. Catch, caught. Sleep, slept. Sing, sang. And the next, you have to add IED with the base form of the verb, that is the present form of the verb. Look at the form of the verb, study. Study is ended with a Y. If you want to change the verb study into past tense, you just have to remove the Y and add IED at the end. It will become a past tense verb, that is study. The past tense for study is studied. Marry, married. Hurry, hurried. Satisfy, satisfied. Glorify, glorified. The simple thing you need to do is you just remove the Y and add IED. The verb will become a past tense verb. Look here, present tense form of the verb will be the past tense form also. The same thing will be the past tense form also. Put, the past tense for put is again it's put. Let, the past tense for let is also let. Set, the past tense verb for set is also set. Quit, quit. Hit, hit. These are all some forms of simple past tense verb patterns. Look at the sentence here. I wrote a test today morning. Here we have used the verb past tense verb wrote. We change the subject here. The subject will become he. He wrote a test yesterday. Buy. What is the past form of buy? Bought. How to make a past tense sentence with the verb bought? I bought a sports bike last year. He bought a sports car last month. Eat. What is the past form of the verb eat? Ate. I ate bread toast for breakfast. He ate idli for breakfast. Play. Play. What will be the past form of the verb play? Played. I played football last night. He played tennis last night. Ride. Ride is in present tense, and what will be the past tense for the verb ride? Rode. I rode my bicycle to school. He rode his bike to work. Read. The past tense form of read is read. Read. Look at the spelling here. The spelling is same for present tense and past tense also, only the pronunciation is changed. For present tense, you have to pronounce it as read, and for past tense, you have to pronounce it as read. I read the newspaper this morning. He read a book this morning. See is the present tense verb, and what is the past form of the verb see? Saw. I saw a lion at the zoological park. He saw a tiger at the zoological park. Meet. The past form of the verb meet is met. Met. I met my friend yesterday. He met his uncle yesterday. And the last one, be. What is the past form of the verb be? That is was. I was bored at school. He was tired at school. In this class, we were dealt with some simple present tense verbs and how to make sentence in simple present tense. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.